Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your time zone on Slack. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use Slack, but you move location, so you need to change your time zone. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Slack. Then click on your profile icon on the bottom left-hand corner. Then go ahead and click on Preferences. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Language and Region. Now, under where it says Time Zone, your time zone should automatically be set. But if for some reason this is ticked off and your time zone is incorrect, click on the drop-down menu and then select the desired time zone. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your time zone on Slack. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.